Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ConvertKit affiliate program and referral reporting checks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify the ConvertKit affiliate program, begin by logging into your ConvertKit account. Navigate to the affiliate dashboard, which is typically found in the account settings. Locate the section labeled Affiliate Program or Referral Program. Once there, ensure you see your affiliate link displayed prominently. Copy your unique affiliate link for reference. Next, conduct a test by clicking on your affiliate link. This will redirect you to ConvertKit's main page or designated landing page. Make a note of whether your link works correctly and leads to the intended destination. Now, let's check referral reporting. Return to the affiliate dashboard and find the Reports section. In this section, you'll see a summary of your clicks and conversions. Review the data for accuracy, focusing on the number of clicks generated through your affiliate link. Look for any conversions listed under your account. Confirm that the referral tracking aligns with your expectations. If you encounter discrepancies, check the time frame for the report. Ensure that you are looking at data for the correct date range. For additional verification, consider reaching out to ConvertKit's support team. Document any concerns you have with the reporting accuracy. Lastly, monitor your affiliate performance regularly. This proactive approach helps ensure you receive credit for all successful referrals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.